In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a table from Perplexity. Copying a table from Perplexity is a quick and convenient way to move organized information into documents, reports, presentations, or any other project you're working on. Instead of manually recreating rows and columns, you can copy the entire table while keeping its layout intact, making the process much faster and more efficient. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Perplexity website. Once the page has loaded, sign into your account to access the full experience, including your previous conversations and the ability to generate new responses. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main page, where you'll see the chat input box in the center of the screen. This is where you'll enter the prompt that generates the table you want to copy. Click inside the input box and type a request that specifically asks for the information in table format. For example, you can ask Perplexity to compare products, summarize information, or list items in a table. Being clear that you want the results displayed as a table helps Perplexity format the response correctly. Once you've entered your prompt, press the Enter key on your keyboard or select the Submit button. Perplexity will begin processing your request and generate a response based on the information you've asked for. Depending on how detailed your prompt is, it may take a few moments for the table to appear. When the response is ready, you'll see the information displayed in a neatly organized table. Take a moment to review it and make sure it contains everything you need. Near the table, you'll find the Copy Table icon. This feature is designed to make it easy to copy the complete table, including its formatting and structure. Simply click the Copy Table icon, and the table will be copied to your clipboard. Next, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can either create a new document or open an existing one where you'd like to place the table. Once you're ready, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the copied table into your document. The table should appear with its rows, columns, and formatting preserved, making it easy to continue editing or sharing your work. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully copied a table from Perplexity and pasted it into Microsoft Word, allowing you to reuse organized information without having to recreate it manually. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,